Welcome to the Cox Business Video Library. In this segment, we'll provide an overview of a key calling feature, call transfer, and how to transfer calls from a Polycom 400 series phone. If your business utilizes a receptionist or a secretary to transfer callers to different departments, you'll see just how efficient call transfers can be. Now let's begin. There are two types of call transfers to consider. First, warm transfer. In this scenario, a call is received and the receptionist tells the intended party in advance who the caller is, the reason for the call, or other relevant information that can ensure a smooth transition to the desired party. Second, blind transfer. In this scenario, a call is received and transferred to the desired recipient's extension. There is no announcement to the intended party. The call is either received or goes directly into the recipient's voicemail. On the Polycom 400 phones, you'll see several buttons or soft keys in the phone display. When your phone is idle, there are 4 keys at your disposal. Redial, used if you'd like to dial the last call made from that line. Directory, a list of all employees within your company directory can be found here. New call, allows you to place an outbound call. And finally, More. When you press this button, it will change the soft keys to reflect more options like Line, Forward, DND or Do Not Disturb, and more. Click the More key once again. You'll see the soft keys change to display LCR or Last Call Received and Push to Talk. Click More again, and you'll be back to the original 4 soft keys. When a call comes in, the soft keys will change to allow the necessary disposition of the call. The new options are Hold, End Call, Transfer, and More. As shown earlier, once the More key is selected, the user will be provided additional options. Now let's demonstrate how a warm transfer works. Once the call is answered, simply click the Transfer soft key. Then dial the phone number or extension you'd like to transfer the call towards, and then the pound key. Once the intended party answers the call, you may state who the caller is, the reason for the call, or other pertinent information that may be important to share. Click Transfer again, and the caller is transferred successfully to his intended party. Now let's do a blind transfer. Once the call is answered, simply click the Transfer soft key, then click on the Blind soft key. And finally, enter the phone number or extension you'd like to transfer the call to, and then the pound key. The call is now ringing on the intended recipient's line, and the phone number of the caller can be seen by the intended party. You have successfully completed a blind transfer. As you can see, different calls require different methods to ensure a successful transfer. To learn more about this and other cool calling features, visit our support website at coxbusiness.com/start here. Here you'll find additional videos, helpful articles, and user guides. Thank you for being a valuable Cox Business customer.